So in this video, I'm going to present the student industry projects that are organized with my MBA students. My name is Albena Ivanova. I'm professor in operations management at Robert Morris University. I teach in the MBA program in the project management certificate. During my career, I have organized and executed more than 50 service learning projects with graduate and undergraduate students and local profit and nonprofit organizations. This class is part of the project management certificate. It is the capstone for all students that are applying for the certificate, and it's the last class after project management and project risk management classes. It is delivered fully online. The students work completely online. They do not meet face-to-face. The duration of the class is 8 weeks. The students organize and plan the project in the first 4 weeks, and then they execute the project in the next 4 weeks. All students are MBA students, they are working professionals, and they work at different levels in the organization. For every semester, I try to arrange three projects per class. I have total 15 students. They work in 3 teams, 5 students on each team. Students select the project that they want to work on at the beginning of the class based on their personal interest and experience and skills. Very often, the companies ask how much time will be required on their behalf, because everybody has time constraints. The time requirements are very minimal. I usually meet with the companies before the class starts to coordinate the project. This meeting is approximately 1 hour. We determine several possible projects and then we pick one. We develop the project description with specific deliverables and we determine the contact person. After the class starts, the students meet with the client the first week for about an hour. This is the initial meeting with the client. And then during the class, they usually either email or call briefly on the phone if they have some questions or need feedback on different deliverables on the project. Sample projects that we have completed with different organizations. Most of the projects I've done are with, not most, but many of the projects are with university. With the School of Nursing, we developed a proposal to use their virtual reality simulator to create a training program for military nurses. With the athletic department, we worked on analyzing their recruitment process with the goal to increase diversity among coaches. With the Center for Global Engagement, we created student handbooks for study abroad programs for different countries. We also have several projects with nonprofit organizations in the area. We had several projects with Meals on Wheels, mainly marketing projects, designing marketing strategy to increase the client base for West Hill Meals. We did several website analysis projects where we evaluated the web design and suggested recommendations how to improve the web design. We worked with the City of Beaver Falls on developing a comprehensive plan using the project evaluation and selection technique. We helped them organize 18 projects that they currently have and prioritize them. Last spring, we worked with the Neighborhood Resilience Project. This is a nonprofit organization We assisted them in developing an implementation strategy for violence prevention grant with the Department of Human Services in Pittsburgh, and we were very happy they won the grant. We also worked with for-profit organizations. We had a project with Chick-fil-A at Robinson. We helped them in developing a training program for their employees. We also worked on an international project with a small company in Bulgaria. Aerial Yoga Studio is a fly yoga studio that was impacted severely by COVID. They had to close operations and move completely online. So our students helped the company develop online marketing strategy to transfer their operations online during COVID-19. At the end of the class, the students will deliver to the company final report summarizing the results from the analysis, and they also will prepare voice over PowerPoint presentation, which will deliver the information from the final report in the form of a presentation. The company will evaluate the quality of the work provided by the students. This is 10% of the grade for the students. So some parameters that the company uses to evaluate students is completeness of the work scope, quality of the work, schedule of the performance of the schedule, communication effectiveness, how effectively students communicated with the client, customer relations, how they were able to incorporate the suggestions and the feedback from the client into the project, and overall performance of the team. The feedback from students about this project is very positive. Students really enjoy working in teams on a real company, on a real problem with real companies. They realize how important is the effectiveness of the communication for the team success. They also enjoy working on a real life project instead of just a business case or doing assignments for a class. They enjoy contributing to the society and to local companies. The feedback from clients is also very positive. Companies realize that students are free work for them. They are resources that they can use to analyze data or to work on a project that they don't have time or resources to work on. So this is really a win-win situation for both clients and our students. If you are interested in working with me, please feel free to contact me. I will be thrilled to work with you, and my students will enjoy the opportunity to participate, to learn more about your organization, and to have the opportunity to work with you. Thank you for your time.